This gorgeous home in the highly desirable Edison Square in Concord, North Carolina has it all. Practically new, this 2017 built home has an open floor plan, high ceilings, and has been meticulously maintained. Beautifully kept hardwood engineered flooring and granite throughout. You'll love the extended kitchen and dining room. This flows into a spacious living area with a fireplace. Upstairs are 3 bedrooms, laundry room, and linen closet. Primary bedroom features bath with dual vanities, huge shower with dual shower heads. Primary bedroom also has 2 walk-in closets, tray ceilings, and plenty of space for a king-size bed. This amazing home is move-in ready. The location is minutes to everything. Enjoy Edison Square shopping, dining, offices, medical facilities, and more. Amenities include cabanas and swimming pool. See what this incredible home and neighborhood has to offer.